Oh, having a mimosa bar at an open house, that's a 10 for me.
I agree. If there's a mimosa bar at an open house, I'm probably not leaving. They probably don't even have to ask me to leave at the end. And if I stay that long, I might buy the house.
Heck yeah.
God.
Oh, a holiday charcuterie board. I would have to say, that's a 7 for me.
Yeah, for me, I'm thinking a little bit more 4. Don't get me wrong, I love charcuterie, but it'd be super messy and walking around with a toothpick and stuff like that. I don't know if I really like to walk around and then touch other people's stuff. Not a fan.
Yeah. I love festive holiday cookies for open houses. They're so cute.
I do love eating cookies, and if it's with fondant frosting, I'm gonna eat all of them probably, so I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Plus, Rudolph is my favorite reindeer.
Aw, mine too, he's so cute. 10! Thanks for popping by. I love a good pun. You know me. This is a 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Very, very clever, but I don't really have to like open up all my individual bags and stuff like that. Seems like a lot of work.
Yeah, true, but oh my gosh, the pun!
The pun is great.
This is a 0 for me. Like, do something better than Lay's potato chips.
I couldn't agree more. I'm not a huge Lay's potato chips fan at all.
No.
Maybe like a little bit better of a nicer chip, but like a kettle chip, but not the Lay's.
Oh yeah, like the Vickies or something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then I might
bounce
give
it up a little bit more.
Then I might give like a 3.
Yeah. I'm a chocolate lover. I'm gonna give this at least a 9. If it was like in the fun package, it'd be even better for an open house thing, but how can you go wrong with chocolate?
I agree. I'm torn though because I freaking love brownies. I just don't know if I want to get so messy at the open house.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be a little chocolatey.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Candy, like Halloween candy, I don't love it. It's not creative enough. I give it a 5.
Well, it depends. If I'm hosting the open house, I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna just keep popping that sugar and keeping that sugar rush going for the whole time.
Ooey gooey chocolate chip cookies. They are the best. I would have to say it's the best dessert around.
Best dessert around. I'm definitely having these at my next open house, and these ones look delicious.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.